In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your ElevenLabs subscription, where to find the cancel option, and what happens after you turn off renewal. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account on the website. According to ElevenLabs' Help Center, the normal path is to click your profile icon in the top right corner, choose Subscription, and then click Manage Subscription. From there, you'll see the option to cancel subscription and go through the cancellation flow. Now, here's the most important detail. Canceling does not usually stop your plan immediately. ElevenLabs says cancellation is scheduled for the end of your current billing cycle, which means you keep access until that paid period finishes. Their terms also say that if you cancel before the end of the current subscription period, subscription fees already paid are generally not refunded, but access continues through the end of that term. If you subscribe through the mobile app, the process is different. ElevenLabs says App Store and Google Play subscriptions must be managed through your device's App Store account, not through ElevenLabs directly. In other words, if you bought the plan on iPhone or Android, you need to cancel it in Apple subscriptions or Google Play subscriptions. ElevenLabs also says it cannot directly cancel or modify those App Store subscriptions for you. There's also a useful distinction between canceling and downgrading. ElevenLabs' Help Center says you can also choose downgrade instead of full cancellation from the same subscription management area, and that downgrade also takes effect at the end of the current billing cycle. So if you still want access but just want a cheaper plan, downgrading may be the better option. Another thing people ask about is why they still see a payment attempt after canceling. ElevenLabs explains that this can happen when cancellation was initiated too late in the billing cycle. Their help article says cancellation does not take effect instantly, which is why timing matters if you're trying to avoid the next renewal. And here's one more practical tip. Canceling your subscription is different from removing your card. ElevenLabs says you cannot remove a card that is set as the default payment method during an active subscription. So if your goal is just to stop future billing, the correct step is to cancel the subscription itself first through the subscription management page. So to cancel your ElevenLabs subscription, sign in, click your profile icon, open subscription, choose Manage Subscription, and then click Cancel Subscription. If you subscribe through Apple or Google Play, cancel it through that app store instead. And remember, your cancellation usually takes effect at the end of the current billing period, not immediately. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.